Squeezing. Ah, my hand strength isn't what it used to be because I got my stomach removed. And then squeeze again. Oh, yeah. Sorry, was I too into that? Hey everybody, and welcome to 3 Different Ways. This is, well, exactly what it sounds like. I'm gonna look at some of my favorite subreddits and see what kind of hacks people are trying, questions they're asking, and things that I can give my 2 cents on in, you guessed it, 3 different ways.
He said it.
Because why? I literally wrote the book on life hacks. Please buy my book wherever you may buy books. Today for 3 Different Ways, I'm gonna be looking around the r/food hack sub. I love this one because usually I'll either A, learn something cool and interesting, or like B, I get to be all nostalgic about my life as a young, plucky life hacker with a bag of lemons and nothing to lose. And would you look at that? Way number 1, you squeeze it with tongs. Good old-fashioned tongs, okay? That's all you need. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So, whoa, Jesus. So what I love about this one is that it hits right in the sweet spot of things that are total life hacky gimme and things that actually work. So all you have to do is take your lemon half, pop it in the center. You actually want to get closer to the fulcrum right here. You want to get close as possible to like make it as snug as possible right there. And then you just squeeze away. Squeeze lemon. There you go. Oh yeah. And then you can go in for round 2. Turn it around a little bit, maybe. Maybe change it like that. Oh, there we go. And, oh, that's a good lemon squeezed. So good that I broke the rind. Not a bad amount of lemon juice. Should I drink it? I don't know what I was expecting. Oh, wow. I blacked out. What happened? Round 2. Let's do this. Put the lemon in the juicer upside down. All right. Roll the clip. Upside down. Juice. This is one of those really life-altering, like, duh moments for me, okay? I truly had a mind-melting experience when this happened, okay? And hey, guess what? I wish I knew that before I was in my 30s.
Here's something I didn't know until I was in my 30s.
The lemon goes in the juicer upside down, okay? Upside down, all right? In my defense, look, anyone that thinks about this thinks that this is the way it works, right? You want the circle to go into the circle, okay? All right? It looks like the shape, okay? And one day, I, figured it out. And it genuinely feels wrong, okay? It always feels a little bit wrong.
Unacceptable!
Flip it upside down, and then you just squeeze it down. I don't even know if I can. Look at how giant this is. Here's a Trader Joe's lemons, baby. Squeezing. Ah, my hand strength isn't what it used to be because I got my stomach removed. And then squeeze again. Oh, yeah. Sorry, was I too into that? So much juice came out that it squirted out the side.
That's embarrassing.
And then you have a perfectly juiced lemon that got all of it out. And now it looks weird on the top, what it's supposed to. And you know what? Just for reasons, I'm gonna drink it again, see if this tastes any different. Oh, it doesn't. In fact, it's more tart. Let's go to number 3. Way number 3, microwave the lemon first. Yeah, just gonna zip on over to the microwave. 15 seconds later, I'm back. Movie magic. And I've got my slightly warm but perfectly good lemon in 2 halves right here. Actually, hot lemons. They smell kind of different. It's weird. Can you tell? Can't you tell? You cannot tell. You are not here. All right, let's do this. You can use it with both of the first 2 methods. So let's go crazy, all right? We're gonna use the juicer and the tongs. First, tongs. Gonna really hold the rind over. Ready, and ooh. Microwave lemon, extract juices more. Hot, and it's hot juice, so be careful of your hands. And way number 2, upside down or right side up if you want to be technical about it. And, oh geez, oh, so easy, it's coming out fast. Whoa, that's a lot better. Oh, that's a lot more lemon juice. Oh boy, can we get even more out of there? Oh, is the juice worth the squeeze? Oh, it was. I don't know, I think this method is just a chef's kiss. Let's pop back into Reddit and see what the verdict is though, okay? I sous vide a lemon at 99.3 degrees for 27 minutes for maximum juiciness. Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Told her earlier.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
I love it. That is incredible. So much juice. That's like the opposite of a life hack in the best way. That's like a slow hack. Take almost half an hour to juice a lemon. Why not, you know? Who's gonna tell you no? It's your life. Juice your lemons, all right? Okay, YouTube, I love you. I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna drink this lemon juice now. Oh my God, so much more pulpy. Okay, YouTube, thanks. See you in the next one.
Down in the juicer. Take one, Mark.
I hope my intestines like lemon juice. Maybe it'll clear it out. Life hacks. Would you look at that? Lemons. The citron de la citron. Is that anything? I don't even know what language that is actually. Oh no, is it gonna slip out? Is it gonna work? Hang on, hang on. Oh, actually, steady it with your finger if possible. Oh no, it's so slippery and juicy. Oh no. Oh no, lemon. What have you done? Have you changed on me, lemons? Whew. Oh my God. So tart. I'm gonna be trying some of my favorite, I'm gonna look at some of my favorite, and I truly and madly, deeply, and I like, all right. Tongs.
Started.
I'm gonna go again. Oh, why'd I do that? When life gives you lemons, explain to your 3-year-old what a lemonade stand is. Start 'em young. Capitalism.